I think since we are in Mumbai city, I think I should say one thing and one thing only. Kasai Mumbai! You know, this is so special for me on a nostalgic, emotional front. There are two reasons why this is very special. 5 years back, a film of mine was releasing Main Tera Hero, and I had come here only to Phoenix Mills for an event of FBB. So right here, FBB had done something, and now, 5 years ahead, another film of mine is releasing Kalank, and I've come for Buffalo, brand Buffalo, which I really do identify with. There's a reason why I identify with Buffalo, not because they signed me as a brand ambassador. One, I'm a Taurian, and the sign is of a bull. Woo! Buffalo. Two, one of my heroes that I look up to, The Rock, he has a massive tattoo, the Brahma bull, that he wears as well on his sleeve. So this really hits home for me. This brand is something that's more than just a brand endorsement. I really do believe in it because since I have grown in my career, this brand has grown. We have a massive store which is right here of FBB. It's a homegrown brand. It's an Indian brand, guys. It's something we should all be very, very, very proud of. कि आज हमारा एक Indian brand इतना अच्छा कर रहा है. And secondly, all of you all. I mean, I'm nothing without all of this, honestly. So I love you as well. I love you all a lot.
If you make some noise for Varun Dhawan, only then he comes on stage back. You're looking absolutely rugged, cool, and fun.
I think since we are here and we are in Mumbai, I don't usually, most of the films that I work on, most of the people say, "Arey, Mumbai mein promote karne ki kya zarurat hai?" But this is not really about promotion. I just want to have some fun with you guys. There's a song of mine out called First Class from Kalank. And अकेले तो मैं बहुत नाचता हूँ इस गाने पे. I think we should choose some fans to come on stage and do this.
Okay, they've been waiting for the past 2 hours to get a glimpse of me. So, are you going to do the honors?
I would choose all of you all, I promise you. But, okay, before we do that, I'm going to come and do a small video with all of you all behind, and then I think you choose people.
Okay, okay.
Because for me, I'm going to choose all of them.
Absolutely, go for it. Okay, be careful. Please don't push. Please don't push. Okay, I will have to not get there if you do not let me select. Can I select with love? With love? Hold on. And hold on. The girl, no. No, there's a white top girl. White top. Stop. Thank you. Woo. Yeah, let him be. Cool dude, lag raha hai? Full on rugged. Varun, are we good? We good? Good to go? Is the console ready? Yeah? Good to go? At the count of 3, 2, 1.
Try and dance with all of you all, but I want to say पहले तो Buffalo first class है और आप सब लोग first class है. So thank you guys, everyone who's even upstairs over there and giving us your precious time over there. आप जो पीछे है, जो escalator पे है, जो उधर दूर तक खड़े हैं, सब लोग. So I want to really thank you for coming out here and sharing this time with me. मुझे बहुत special लगता है क्योंकि मैं यही का रहने वाला हूँ आप सबकी तरह. I am also from Mumbai. मैं भी जब छोटा था मैं भी इधर आता था शॉपिंग के लिए मेरे मॉम के साथ मेरे डैड के साथ कभी ऑब्वियसली दोस्तों के साथ उस टाइम जो गर्लफ्रेंड थी उसके साथ तो मैंने भी बहुत वक्त कटाया है यहाँ पे द वे यू गाइज आर हैंगिंग आउट ऑफ हियर इवन आई हैव हंग आउट ऑफ हियर एंड इट जस्ट गिव्स मी सो मच हैप्पीनेस टू सी ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल हैंगिंग आउट ऑफ हियर एंड जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर मी ऑनेस्टली बिकॉज डीप डाउन आई एम अ मुंबईकर सो दिस रियली मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी दैट व्हेन आई कैन डू दिस इन माय सिटी गाइज थैंक यू
Varun. So, you know what? Before Varun says goodbye, there's one question. You know, the campaign is setting you free. Okay? And you mentioned you used to come here with your dad and mom, your friends, your girlfriend. Other than the actresses that you hang around with, are your friends? No, I'm just asking. What sets you free personally?
What sets me free?
Yep.
I think अभी what sets me free, honestly, मेरे घर पे एक बहुत छोटा सा गिफ्ट आया है मेरी 9 महीने की नीस आई है शी इज 9 months old so getting up in the morning and going and hanging out with her that's what sets me free I think honestly and actually what sets us free is you know spending time sometimes you just need to be alone without like some gadgets without any matlab tension any problems just being alone walking somewhere alone maybe going to the beach maybe going to some मैदान maybe just going and honestly just going and just ये तो फेक ग्रास है बट ऐसे ही जाके किधर ग्रास पे ऐसे लेट जाना ऐसे तो मतलब बिल्कुल सेट हो जाते हम लोग फ्री बिल्कुल सेट हो जाते
Whoa!
And I want to give a where's the cap?
The cap was
I'm going to give it to the girl who's really screamed her heart out over here.